Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, I am going to show you the procedure how you can do your assignments which are given in your Google Classroom. So when you will go to your class, let's suppose this is P1A, you will go to your classwork, you will see that the assignment one is given to you over here and the due date is mentioned. So how you are going to do this assignment? Let's suppose I am a student, I am going to P1, just see on the screen. When I click on P1, when I'll go to the classwork, I will be able to see that the assignment is given to me over here. I will click on the assignment one, computer science, so that I can see over here what is basically the task that I want to do. Then I will open the task by clicking the task and I will do it accordingly. Definitely, what will I have to do? I will open Microsoft Excel file. I will take an Excel file and over here you are asked to do this pattern over there in the Excel and apply formula. Create the following format in MS Excel and calculate total marks and using formula and submit the Excel file. So what I will do, I will take a new Excel file and whatever the format is there that I am going to make in the Excel file, let's suppose number is there, similarly name is there, similarly all the things, etc., whatever the things are there, I will save the file. I will save the file with my name. Let's suppose I am saving it on the desktop with my name OS. You will save with your name, full name, okay? And then this is the file which is saved on my desktop. This is the file which is saved on my desktop. You can see over here on the desktop, this file is there that I have made right now. And this is the file that I need to submit to the teacher. So what will I do? I will definitely go to the classroom where I need to attempt this assignment. I will click on the view assignment. I will reach the assignment. It is asking me, okay, this is the method to submit the assignment, your work. So what you are going to do, add or create. This is basically add or create button. You can click on it to submit your assignment. When you will click on the add or create, if you have saved your file in your system, okay, so you will take the file from there just like I have saved on my desktop. I will click on the file. I will go to the upload button and will browse the file from my system. So over here I can see that my file is there on the desktop with the name of OS. I will click on it. I will click open. So this file will be uploaded. Okay. And when this file will be uploaded, definitely you have accomplished all the work. No? I have given you the sample, okay, I wrote over there, whatever the requirement is then. When you have accomplished all the work, when you have applied formula and done all the things, then you will click on the turn in button. Keep in mind, once you have turned in, so that assignment will be submitted and you won't be able to edit it again. When I click the turn in button, one assignment will be submitted for assignment one, computer science. This is the file name. You will click on the turn in. So now you will see that the assignment has been submitted. Okay. So the assignment will be submitted. Once submitted, if you will click on the unsubmit button, so if the due date is there, so it could be unsubmitted. But normally you submit it once and then that assignment will be submitted, because normally there is a restriction by the teacher that once you submit, so you can't submit it again. So this is the procedure how you can submit your assignment